Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So in this video we are going to see the question from geometry, guys. So as you can see, this question is based on angle bisector theorem because I have given the diagram and the property of angle bisector theorem. You have to try first this question and after that see my explanation. I am going to explain this question by two methods. One will be the lengthy method or traditional method, you can say, but the second one will be very quick and very easy method. So let's start with the video, guys. First of all, the question says a triangle ABC having side AB 3, AC 5, BC 12. The angle bisector of the angle BAC meet side BC at D. Find the length of BD. So this is what our question is. Okay, so first of all we are going to know about angle bisector. So I can say if this is your triangle A B C where AD is nothing but angle bisector, the ratio of A and B will be equal to the ratio of this X and Y. Means I can say the ratio of this side to this side will be equal to the ratio of this side to this side. Okay, hope you people are getting. I am representing this question in this diagram only. So let's see. A B C, this is a triangle where BAC this angle where AD is nothing but your angle bisector. Angle bisector means this AD divides angle A into two equal parts. Okay, so that is what your angle bisector. Okay, so I have already taught you about what the theorem says. The value is given, that is AB. AB is what? 3 and AC is what? 5. Where BC is what? This whole X plus Y is nothing but 12. So now you have to find what? You have to find BD. BD means this side you have to find. Okay, so how you can find? By traditional method. Let's see. So I can write AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. Is it correct? What is it? Angle bisector theorem says this. So now if you want to find BD, so you have to convert this term as BD. Okay, so how you can convert it? So I can write BC is equal to BD plus DC. Okay, so I can write minus BD is equal to DC. Okay, BC देखो ये पूरा BC है तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ BD, ये BD X प्लस Y. ठीक है, सो आई कैन राइट दिस होल टर्म एज दिस. और मुझे यहाँ पे DC को BD के टर्म में चेंज करना है तो मैंने क्या किया, इसको BC माइनस BD के टर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया. ओके, नाउ आई एम पुटिंग द वैल्यू, सो आई कैन राइट at the place of AB 3, AC 5, and here BD you have to find, so I'm writing X, and here this I can write 12 minus X because here you have the value of BC. Okay, that is 12. So now if you do cross multiplication, because equal to is there in between, so 12 3s are 36 and 3x is equal to 5x. If you'll take 3 this side, I can say 3x 36 is equal to 8x. So x is equal to 36 by 8, and that is nothing but 4 9s and 4 2s. So 9 by 2 will be your answer. That is nothing but BD. Okay, so you can say your option A is the answer. So this is how traditionally you can do this question. Okay, now we are going to see very quick method. Okay, so let's see. You know AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. This is what? Angle bisector theorem, I can say. And also I can say the sum of this ratio AB and AC will correspond to BD and DC. So here AB is what? 3 and AC is what? 5. So I can say that this 8 can correspond to this 12. Why 12? Because BD plus DC is nothing but BC. Okay, that is why I'm writing 8 will correspond to this 12. So here we have to find the value of this a. Why? Because this a will correspond to this x, na, this side. So here you have to find x. So if you will find this a, means you have to find the value of 3, because 8 is corresponding to 12. So I have to find the value of this 3. So this 3 will correspond to also this x. Okay, so I can say 1 will be what? 2l by 8. Is it correct? So here you have to find the value of 3. So I can say 3 will correspond to 2l by 8 into 3, and that is nothing but 4 2s are 4 3s are, so 3 3s are 9 by 2, and that is your option number A. So this is how you can do this type of question very quick. Also I can say mentally. If I am explaining, that is why it is taking time. If you are just doing for yourself, you can do it very easily. So hope it will be clear. If you like the discussion, please hit the like button, do subscribe our YouTube channel, and please share this lecture, okay, to the needy one. Okay, so bye bye guys, have a good day.